If you are experiencing problems with your Windows 11 volume control not functioning correctly, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can take. First, let us examine the volume mixer. Sometimes, a simple adjustment here can resolve the problem. If this does not yield results, we will proceed to the system settings. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Navigate to the System tab, then choose Sound. Within the Sound settings, locate the Active Output section. Scroll down and find the option for Audio Enhancements. Try disabling this feature to see if it resolves the volume control issue. Should disabling Audio Enhancements not fix the problem, we will move on to the troubleshooters. Again, go to System Settings, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Then, select Other Troubleshooters. You will see an option for the Audio Troubleshooter. Click on Run next to it. This troubleshooter will attempt to automatically detect and fix audio problems. Finally, it is always a good practice to ensure your Windows is up to date. Navigate to Windows Update and click on Check for Updates in the right pane. Installing any available updates can often resolve underlying system glitches that might be affecting your audio. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.